Something every required fire alarm system requires is a minimum of one pull station. Let's take 2 minutes to become more familiar with pull stations. So pull stations, per the code, are referred to as manual fire alarm boxes, and they are there to provide a manual initiation method of activating the fire alarm system. All pull stations for fire alarm use have to be red. Other manual alarm initiating devices must be another color. We can do a background of a contrasting color if we have a red wall with our red pull station. Now, with your pull station, the activation is going to come through an action. You have pull stations that are single action, where one thing is done, you just pull and it activates, and then you also have some that are dual action, or maybe even more than that. There have to be instructions to be able to be read on the pull station for use. Some of the requirements when we are utilizing pull stations, they have mounting height. Mounting height minimum, no less than 42 inches and no more than 48 inches AFF, meaning above finished floor, to the actuator. The actuator is the part that moves when we pull that pull station. The location requirements when it comes to the use of pull stations, well, we've got to have a pull station within 5 feet of every exit door. You cannot have more than 200 feet of travel distance from one pull station to the next along the path of egress. One pull station on either side of grouped openings that are over 40 feet wide, and a minimum of one pull station for every single floor. So looking at those requirements in an illustrated form, no more than 200 feet of travel distance from one pull station to the next along the path of egress. They have to be within 5 feet of every exit door, and if we have a grouped opening that is greater than 40 feet wide, we are required to have at least two pull stations for that grouped opening.